I'm not sure that it actually makes your immune system stronger. What it does is it introduces your immune system to diseases that it hasn't yet seen. And so that means that when the real disease comes along, your immune system has already seen it, already recognized it, and so therefore it's able to respond more quickly to the invasion and cut it off before it gets started. So it's more of a teaching of your immune system. And of course, there is something called immune memory. And so it's actually teaching your immune system to recognize something that is an infectious disease. Of course, what you're injected with is something that is a weakened or dead form of that particular infectious agent. And so it doesn't cause the disease when it is injected into you, but your immune system is trained to recognize it in the future.